అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. మలబార్ గోల్డెన్ డైమండ్స్ తరఫున మా ఆహ్వానాన్ని మన్నించి మా ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి ముఖ్య అతిథులుగా విచ్చేసిన సంగీత గారికి, అలాగే హారిక గారికి, శ్రీచంద్ర గారికి, మా కస్టమర్లకు, మీడియా మిత్రులకు అందరికీ ఈ బ్రైడల్ జ్యువెలరీ షో ప్రారంభోత్సవానికి స్వాగతం. ఈరోజు మలబార్ గోల్డెన్ డైమండ్స్ సోమాజిగూడలో మేము బ్రైడల్ జ్యువెలరీ షోని ప్రారంభించడం జరుగుతున్నది. ఈ షో ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ కలెక్షన్స్ బంగారంలో కానీ, రూబీ ఎమరాల్డ్స్లో కానీ, అన్కట్ డైమండ్స్లో కానీ, అలాగే మైన్ డైమండ్స్లో కానీ ఈ రానున్న పెళ్లిల సూచన దృష్టిలో ఉంచుకొని ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ కలెక్షన్స్ ని కస్టమర్స్ అందించాలి అనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఈ బ్రైడల్ జ్యువెలరీ షోని మేము ప్రారంభించడం జరుగుతుంది. సో వితౌట్ ఫర్దర్ డిలే ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఫస్ట్ అవర్ store head Mr. Sharish and Inayat to come on to stage, and I request the chief guest of today's program, Mr. Sangeeta Garu, to come on to the stage. I request Sri Chandra Garu and Harika Garu, please come on to the stage. I'm very happy that before that I would like to congratulate these are the next upcoming couple, I can say. We are very happy that they are available today here. So these are all exclusive collections we are come up with, and I request all the chief guests to launch it first. Fazal, can you help us? This is a diamond jewelry collection. So this షో 17th ప్రారంభమైంది, 19th మనం లాంచ్ చేస్తాము. టిల్ నవంబర్ 14th దివాళీ వరకు కూడా మనకు మలబార్ గోల్డెన్ డైమండ్స్ సోమాజిగూడ షోరూంలో అందుబాటులో ఉంటుంది. దెన్ ఈ షోతో పాటు వాట్ డిస్కౌంట్స్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్, వాట్ ఆఫర్స్ వీఆర్ గెటింగ్. So before giving it to the chief guest, I would like to announce the offer part. We are providing advance booking facility for Dhanteras. Just you can pay 10% advance on the gold what you are selected, and you can come on Dhanteras and buy the jewelry with apart from all Malabar promises like 100% BIS hallmark jewelry, IGA certificate, AS certificate jewelry, and transparent price tag. You get assurance to the jewelry what we are going to present during this show. So without further delay, I request Sangeeta Garu to speak few words on this program.
Good afternoon, all of you. It's my pleasure to come and unveil this bridal collection. I'm so happy to do that. I'm one of the regular buyer from Malabar, and I'm a very, very happy and satisfied customer. So whenever I come, never I get disappointed, and it always makes it sure that I'll come back again. I should say that all the staff are very, very cooperative. I should say that we should give a big round of applause for all the staffs over here. They are very patientful, and how much ever how women are in purchase. That's when it is coming to gold. We really take so much of time. They being they explain, and they show everything very patiently, and so I'm so happy about it. And whenever I come, always there will be some or other new designs keep coming. I make sure that more than the budget, I always cross my budget and buy whenever I come to Malabar. That's one of the best point of Malabar. Always make sure that I come back again for each and every of my best occasion. This is one of my best occasions.
Today in Malabar Golden Diamonds Somajigoda showroom, we have launched bridal jewelry show. This is an exclusive collection in gold, precious, gemstone jewelry, era uncut diamond jewelry, as well as in diamond collection. This show will be launched today in 19th of October, and it will be continued till 14th of November, exclusively in Malabar Golden Diamonds Somajigoda showroom. I request all our customers to visit, and upcoming marriage season is coming. Keeping the upcoming marriage season coming and keeping the COVID-19 norms into consideration, we have made sure all the precautionary measures have been taken so that the customers have a happy shopping at Malabar Golden Diamonds Somajigoda store. And coming to the offers part, keeping the Dhanteras Diwali into consideration, we have started our advance booking facility, wherein customer can book just paying 10% as an advance for the jewelry, and he can come and purchase during Dhanteras, and he'll also get a silver coin free. Apart from it, we have also launched our Brides of India 8th edition this year. The main theme of this show is My Big Day. Although many issues have come down in between in terms of COVID, but marriage is always a very big day for a bride as well as a groom. Keeping that into consideration, we want to make all the brides and grooms believe that this is still a very big day, and they should come and shop with us. I request all the upcoming marriage customers to visit the showroom. Thank you so much.
I am going to get married in next month. So when I heard they are launching bridal jewelry set, I was very excited to get it launched very quickly so I can buy so many jeweler things. As a bride, we need so many designs. As a bride, I see so many designs and I see so many things regarding in the quality and also the prices. So as a part of my bridal journey, I am just looking over all the gold shops, all the stores, everything. But when I came to Malabar Gold, it is something different because the staff is very patient over here. They're patiently showing each and every jewelry set what a bridal actually needs. So that is very important for a customer. Yeah, I strongly recommend whoever is going to get married or whoever wants to buy something for their big days, they can come to Malabar Gold. Thank you.